Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing external power. This prevents accidental writes. Next, press the specific BIOS key repeatedly as the system boots to enter firmware setup. Once inside, navigate with arrow keys or mouse depending on firmware. Make sure to locate the Security or Passwords tab immediately. This is where System and Supervisor passwords reside. You do this now to avoid wandering menus later. Getting straight to the right section saves time and prevents accidental changes. Once you're on the Security tab, find the System or Administrator password entry and select the option to change or clear it. You must enter the current password first for authentication. This is the why BIOS protects settings. After authenticating, leave the new password fields blank or choose the clear option, then confirm. Make sure to save the change. Use F10 or the Save and Exit choice. If Secure Boot or TPM options are tied to the password, note them before confirming. You finish by saving changes and rebooting immediately to verify the password is removed. If the firmware still prompts for a password, the CMOS may need resetting. Power down, unplug, and remove the coin cell for a few minutes, or use the motherboard reset jumper to clear BIOS settings. Make sure to reinsert the battery and reboot. If a vendor or supervisor lock prevents removal, you'll need proof of ownership and manufacturer support to avoid breaching warranties or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.